tracing back from this bone right here. It's a bone from a deceased teenage girl that we found not too long ago. They're very mysterious creatures. Right now they're in their natural habitat, jumping over a trampoline. Go doggy. Our hunting dogs might have run ahead of us, but luckily they haven't seen us yet. We're going to be very quiet and creep up on them and catch them and take them for research and studies. To be very quiet now. Oh no! Get him! Run! Get him, Look, she's got the boat! She's tracing the trail! No! They made it into the endangered species territory! I think we done found a wild Assirahc nest. What we do? I don't know. Knock on the door, Abby. Go, Abby, go! Go! Run! Go! It's a wild Assirahc! It's a wild Assirahc! What is it doing? Look at it, run! It's chasing after him! Look at it, run! Oh, crap! Alright, we've tracked an illustrious Haracs to make out points and we've set a decoy up. She's known for attacking lonely forever loners that just sit out and make a point and look like they're doing something. Alright, she should be showing up any time now. We'll track her down and... What is this? Oh no! Oh no! We've got the two teenagers and the seduction, intimidation technique. Right now, two of the males are fighting with their chests as an intimidation technique to fight off the other male for the mate over there by that tree. Now shall we use the same technique that looks exactly the same as the intimidation to go and seduct the mate as well. Oh, are they doing it? Look at that. The seduction technique is perfect. Oh, it looks like we've got a couple! I'll just go home. Hunting dogs have run ahead of us, but they don't seem to have noticed anything. Get them! Get them! How do I stop recording? See how they flash their chests at each other and try to... Oh, do we have a winner maybe? The winner would go over there and seduct that mate over there by the tree. The seduction and intimidation techniques are nearly the same. The seduction and intimidation... You gotta seduct her! You've gotta seduct her!
Oh, lay on a word! You're not recording, right?
No.
Oh, okay.
Do the yellow again!
I'm a snake! Where'd my arms go? Just kidding, I'm a snake!
I can't do the dishes.
No, I'm Fred. I guess Percy will have to do the dishes for me.
How do you have a dead turtle on you?
What?
It's pelvis! It's a pelvis!
You're a pelvis.
Elvis!
Elvis the pelvis.
Turtle pelvis!
Why did you just throw a turtle pelvis at me?
I don't know.
Why'd you keep the turtle's bones? That's kind of creepy.
Turtle pelvis.
Which? I'm really good at mermaid dancing.
I'm really good at
What's
killing
that?
babies.
I don't know.